This is Drew and I with Drager Off-Road. In this video, we change out the fuel injector in my 2007 Ram 2500 Mega Cab 5.9 Cummins.
We also do the wheel bearing, and while we're doing the wheel bearing, the injector is getting tested. We get the injector back, it failed, and we put a new injector in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Here. There's oil all over coming from these tubes here.
Yeah. If it's just completely filling the cylinder up with fuel, it would blow through, right? And that would be a roll. But then the oil would be contaminated. Really badly cartoned out. I'm not sure what his synopsis was there. Did they give him a compression test or?
I'm not sure. I kind of thought that's what they would have done, but
Did you get a compression test? Oh, it was just a.
They just did tested it with their turned the injector off. They just used their snap-on thing and turned the injector off, and they just said when they turned 4 off, it didn't do anything.
Right. See, back in the day when we had direct injection without these common rails, you could do that yourself.
Yeah.
You know, and that's how I checked all the machines I ran. I would just loosen one nut off at a time and find out which cylinder was misbehaving.
Yeah.
But you can't do that on common rails, so if he shut him off electronically.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Oh, okay. So there was no compression test.
No.
So, yeah, because I can kind of see the blow by all the oil here.
Yeah. And you can see it over here too. Where the tube comes out, it's all over the place down here.
Yeah.
All over the place.
Okay, well, yeah, start with the injector and see what you got.
Yep.
Yeah, you got an ironwork express wrench.
Yeah, that's the only one that I could find that would fit this freaking thing. Oh shit. Join us Friday, December 12th from 4 to 7 and Saturday, December 13th from 11 to 3. It's worth the drive for one of the gifts you won't find in the city.
There's fast fuel on this?
Yeah.
Oh, and plus they got the stock.
Yeah, the stock. That's what I was trying to ask Buddy, if they bypassed it or not.
my truck, there's still a stock filter in there.
And it still runs through?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's oil all over.
You can get block plate for it. It just screws into the thing, but I just put a new filter on there anyway.
Yeah, why not? That's that much more protection.
The only thing is I was afraid it was going to restrict the flow a bit. But I don't know.
And there's fast on yours too.
You can get those fleece kits too. That's probably the same thing you're talking about.
Yeah, it's just a plate instead of a filter head.
Yeah, there's oil. Look at the oil.
Oh my god. You got some rags?
Yeah, there's some underneath by that air compressor there.
Oh.
In that box.
Oh yeah. You're okay.
Bull.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Jesus, it's just draining out of there.
Oh, you're gonna short the battery.
God, it's just draining out of there.
It's okay, Jeff. You can just relax. Nothing's going on. Yeah, whatever.
Oh, I gotta unplug these injector harnesses. They're just broken.
Oh, it is?
The clip is broken.
Oh, no.
There's the other.
Where is this truck?
7.
Oh, sorry, Joe. I didn't step on you. That damn right. No, don't jump. Don't jump. No jumping. You don't need to jump. No. Yeah, you sit down. You'll be good.
Yeah, changing the injectors on these on 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Nice.
Luckily they got those plugs that you can take out to get
Oh yeah,
to get them out.
yeah.
I just gotta get a ratchet for those.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Figured it out yet.
Oh,
Me and Garrett came up with a new name for our channel.
oh yeah. What's going to be?
Dragger.
Dragger.
Yeah.
What are you dragging?
Dragger Hobbies.
Oh, Dragger Hobbies. Oh, there you go.
Right, wasn't it?
I don't know, we just came up with Dragger. We didn't come up with...
Yeah, because it's Drew,
Drew, what it?
D-R-E, and then Garrett, G-A-R, so
Cool.
Dragger.
Right on.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, oh, what a dragger.
Dang. Wow, frick, I should have covered up those tubes probably. Remember I did that. Oh, wow.
It's okay, I didn't record that part.
Frick, these are...
So what happens if it is an injector? Then are you gonna pull it out, or do you got one, or what?
I'll pull it out, and then you should be able to get one pretty easily. They're pretty popular.
You won't be able to tell by looking at it. You'll have to bring it in for a flow test. Okay. This is segment 2.
Yeah, segments here. Oh, I'm trying to keep these out of the way. One of these is not all the way. There we go.
Should probably grab a rag. Should be able to tip this upside down. Those bolts, I don't think come out. do they?
No, they should stay in there actually, yeah. Yeah, it must not keep the pressure.
No, I guess not.
Is that? Yeah, I should be able to get a socket on that.
You work with that every day, you should know.
What's that?
What size of socket is that? This. The inside one.
15, 16s.
15, 16, you think? I'll just grab the 1 inch.
And then all this short shit has to be torqued back on.
Yeah, it does, yeah. Here.
Oh.
tube.
You got the tube?
Yep.
There's a little ball bearing in there.
Hardy, favorite country song on New Country. Some people's favorite TV show, Euphoria, has been played with delays over the years. Season 2 of Euphoria premiered in 2022. Season 3 is the
Looks good, but yeah,
because
that's
of those
also.
Hollywood strikes. But they just announced that Euphoria Season 3
Yeah.
I'll leave it off. Oh, look at that. What a guess that was.
What?
8 mil.
The main actors in there
Yeah.
have gone on to great stardom since, but they've all done that already. This is in the can now. It's finished and it is coming out in the spring. So good news for Euphoria fans.
I probably just remember which code goes on.
Yeah, maybe I should take a picture here. Or you're videoing it anyways. So you can go back and see. That's probably why everyone breaks them, because they catch as they're pulling it off. There. Okay, this is in the way. That's in the way. There we go. Come on.
Oh, you're caught on that.
Here we go.
No, you got it now.
Oh, this is gone. Damn it. Oh, come on out. Go. There we go.
Okay, here's the second one.
There. Oh yeah, those are on there. That's cool. There.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Or maybe it's smaller. No, 8. Jesus, freaking nuts, loose.
You're kidding.
Yeah, it's loose.
Oh my god.
For flip's sake.
And there's your blow by. The seal's probably shot.
Yeah, the nut was loose.
Hey, that's good news.
Yeah, it's loose.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't.
There you go. If that's not seated, there's your blow by. That's what's going on.
Freaking, maybe we should take the rest of them.
Well, it's just that one didn't you? But yeah.
Oh yeah, trying to get that in there is gonna be a son of a gun. We gotta try and straighten this thing out, this cable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, it stays. Okay, here we go. What's it hitting? Oh, how come it just got dark? It's dark.
Covered with oil.
Oh yeah, it is. Must be. For flip's sake. There we go. Okay, try it again.
Here.
Yeah, you just fish her in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the piston's right there. Right there.
Yeah, it is. Damn. Can't kind of get it to go side.
Well, that's
Sure.
turn the engine over again.
We'll start.
I just
And
don't
then
let
it'll-
it sit. The keys sit in the on position for too long.
Yeah, and then you just blast the fuel all into the top of the engine there.
Here, ready? Wait. Yes. Wait.
Just hold on.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah, but as soon as you turn the key, the pump will start.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, blast the fuel everywhere. Yeah, I knew it would do that.
So it actually made a full revolution. So just hold it.
Stop. Take the key out.
Yeah, okay. You're good. That's it.
Yeah, it's
Did it spray fuel?
yeah. There's fuel everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, it all went in the oil, did it?
Yeah,
No.
we're gonna have to change the oil.
Fuel.
Oof, I can't see a goddamn thing.
About this.
That's why you need those ends that.
Oh.
Turn the light down.
There, that's the least. That's the lowest setting. Okay, let's wait. I can zoom in. In a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
Can't even see the spray pattern on the piston or nothing.
There's no hole in the piston, that's for sure.
You should be able to see the spray pattern
Is there
on
any
it.
scratches you can see?
Can't even see the wall.
Yeah, you can.
Where? That's all piston.
Oh,
Oh, I see it's recording. No. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. Oh. Oh, back up a little bit. Zoom in. Right there. Okay, let's see. See if I can, what I can do here. See, look, it looks like something's moving. Smoke,
Steaming.
steam or
that's
something.
smoke.
Huh?
It looks like the piston's cracked.
Where? It doesn't look good, that's for sure. It looks rough. Be nice to see the cylinder wall. Yeah, I don't know. It's tough to say. The lights, it needs to be like a yellow light.
Yeah, it's too bright. It's just reflecting off everything. Maybe you should put some oil on the light.
As it was announced that Prada has purchased Versace in a $1.4 billion mega deal. What does that
Looks to be
mean for
intact.
brands
The piston,
It
anyway.
looks to be intact. It doesn't really look too good though.
to continue?
There's no obvious holes. or
Because these
cracks or
pistons,
anything.
right in the middle, there's a big hole in there, right? That's indent.
Yeah,
It's about that
there's a
big.
bowl, yeah. Yeah, it's not really helping us a whole lot, this thing.
No. It's too bad. Here, let's see if we.
It's a little smarts.
Where's the wheel bearing? Oh,
Besides nothing.
oh no! Just what dropped on the rim.
Holy shit. Not bad. Yeah, no, this. not bad. Come on.
Never.
Jesus.
Sides too.
Yeah.
Bo, I can smell
but
you.
it
You're
breaks.
burning.
Whoa, you're gonna melt.
I need that.
Got it? On the metric. Oh, it doesn't want to come on.
Sometimes you got to beat them back on and jiggle them.
You just take the bolts out.
Yeah, maybe. You check. Yeah, the
Well, I'll
bolt.
just take the banjo bolts out and they're all off. I need an extension.
Yeah.
This is short. There we go. Okay.
He wants to join the party. Oh, is there a party in there? Bo.
I just want to see how that could get releases out of it. Oh, I see. There's this thing here. Oh yeah. That's the one I'm trying to pry apart.
Here. I guess, yeah.
Well, I can use these to pry it out too. There we go. Yeah.
No, no. Fold it all the way along. So now, where we messed up is not taking the wheel nut off with the tire on. Now we're gonna try and get this 300 foot-pounds off of there with no.
The impact.
Okay, yeah, maybe I gotta see this.
Yeah.
My gun would do it.
Yeah?
Mhm.
No?
We'll see.
Did it with mine. When I changed the axles on mine.
The only thing is you have this size of socket.
I might.
I definitely do at home.
I have to buy it.
That's what I got with that set from PD Mart for 70 bucks.
Yeah, that was a good deal.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I can't bump into this anymore. We're just.
Oh, now you'll never get that. Never.
Oh, yeah.
Never.
I bench press 160.
You can bench press the pickup then.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now I just gotta get that nice and needle moved.
You got it?
Yep.
Cool.
I just need my impact now.
This pile. It's got green on it.
Green. Oh, and that's 3/4. I got it. Yeah, well, this should be interesting. Let's see.
Yeah, might have to go get
Grease
the
all over this thing.
might have to go get the red impact.
Use it.
No, I have to get the yellow one.
Eh.
I think we'll have to get the red one. Whoa, I can smell your tail burning.
Here she is.
That was loud, eh, Bo?
Jiminy crickets.
Was that loud, Bo?
Oh, I guess that one doesn't come with a new one, eh?
No, these nuts are $80.
Oh my god.
I had to buy one. You know why? Because I had a standard socket like that, and I just put it on the outside, and it twisted all these little fingers.
Oh.
So I had to buy a brand new one.
Okay, now that should just pull off of there.
We gotta undo the nuts, don't we, in the back here now?
Yep.
Or the bolts?
Yep. And it's got to go left to right. You got to open up the steering, close the steering. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So to get these ones off, we got to turn the steering this way.
Yeah, no.
90 pounds torque, so it's not too bad.
I might need a sniper.
Whoa.
Yeah, in the top, or
Bo, where you going?
No way.
I've never seen it before in my life.
Jiminy crackers. That is something else.
it's freaking on there. Lord Connor Jesus.
Yeah. Lord Thunder and Jesus, what to do before.
Yeah, no idea what to do there now. That's on there.
Okay, well anyways, put that big one on and then I'll put a hand on it too and just spare it off.
Just grenade that ratchet.
That's probably right.
Blow it up.
This is a good ratchet. This is freaking Napa.
Yep, blow her up.
Guaranteed.
Yep, no snipes.
Yeah, they don't know. What they don't know, don't hurt.
We got,
Okay, just wait. Just
Proof
make
right
sure
here.
This is square on here.
I got proof though, you cheating.
Yeah. Got it on camera.
Here's one sec.
Oh, I knew you were gonna break it.
Okay.
Here's
gonna
nothing.
Here. You ready?
Yeah, just one sec here. It's not sitting on it square.
Okay.
And every time it doesn't sit square, it's kind of stripped it out. Okay, well, let's try that.
Is it on square?
Yeah.
There goes that.
Oh, I knew you'd break that.
the ratchet.
Is it?
Sounded like it.
No.
That was only one of 42, so you're okay. You got another 39 teeth to go on the ratchet.
No. Whoa. How's the knuckle?
No, it's stripped.
Oh.
Oh, never have I seen it.
Yeah, it's stripped.
Knew it.
God darn it. How the frick did it strip it?
Well, that bearing's staying on there forever. Cut it off.
Oh. Do you have any removers?
Do you have a torch?
I'll check here.
I have some. I do have some sockets actually. Some bolt remover sockets.
I wonder,
I got the easy outs, but I don't have the sockets.
Yep, I have the sockets.
I wonder if we could just zip it in here.
That's when the 6-point comes in handy.
Yeah, it's on there.
You got it on?
No, it's.
Stripped.
Oh, I didn't know what to.
Shoot. Well,
There it is. We got her.
you did?
Okay, keep going.
Oh, so the old heat did you? Good. You did it without the snipe?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So the heat,
Yeah, they call me Wesley Snipes.
yeah.
I don't know about that.
So the old heat, it helped.
No, I don't think so. No. It's bent though. There's little waves in it. Okay, right here.
That's just a shield, it's not a... Yeah, they put red thread lock on these. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's not necessary.
Okay, put some copper coat on this, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonder if I should try and brush this off at all.
No, you blew it off. I put a little copper coat on it and called it a day.
Put all the
Yep. I would. That way.
The air should be dry. It's going through the dryer, so. Anything?
That's it.
Maybe it should blow a little bit more through it, or what do you think?
Not on the heater.
Yeah, be careful. Crickets will have this place on fire. Oh, nice. That was good. Nice and clean.
So this hole has to go. Has to go.
Do you know which way that goes?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, towards
'cause
the outside.
Yeah, towards the tube,
Yeah.
where the tube goes.
That's right.
Oh boy, yeah. Oh, that's. Might have to suck that in with the bolts, I guess. There, I got a click. Oh,
Oh, you got 11 already?
yeah, I got it.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Right? Oh yeah, looks right. Okay.
And you torqued the injector already?
Okay, now yeah, we have to torque the injector
So
again.
back to 89 now. So
Is that 89 next?
Yeah. So go back into this. Final torque. And then what's next? This? What's this?
Says when it grabs and then give it a little more. I'll give it a little more.
But you had taken some brackets off there or something, eh?
Yeah, I got it. Because you don't know what.
So 132 inch pounds.
132 inch pounds
Yeah.
on these little tiny nuts.
Whoa.
Well, 11 foot-pounds, whatever that is.
Yeah.
And that's 132 inch pound.
Shut your heater off.
What?
Shut your heater off. Drawing your battery.